I'm going to move it up closer so you get a better view for part of it. Let me see here. Lower this down. Okay, so that's the first part of it. I'm gonna move the camera back here so you can catch a little bit more here. Not sure if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it here. There we go. We are losing daylight, so we'll see how far I get. All right, so I got some stuff to show you here. So get back here, kind of hard with a long tripod. So I just probably got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 4. So I got 32 feet there to fill in. But I don't want to break that pipe down there. So I'm going to do something a little different here. See if I can set this up here where I don't destroy my tripod, but I can get you a good shot of what I'm going to sneakily pull off here. So I've got the jet pipe still running down there. I'm going to go move it a little bit, but I'm going to let that fill up. As the dirt goes in, it'll turn into soft mud and it'll just flow down around the stuff, and I won't have to worry about it breaking any of the fittings down there. So I'll be right back here while that fills up. So, just going to let that sit and settle now. As I was agitating it, I could feel everything just kind of going, turning like a quicksand under there, flowing around everything. So, we'll just see what it looks like here, and before I go in at night. But it should, all that water should disappear as it absorbed up. But I'm going to change the angle on you here. Actually, I can move it up over here. Yeah. Let's see if that's not showing. Let me go and raise that up a bit. You can see the jet pipe right there. I moved it up about 20 feet because everything back before it had settled so much, and the ditch was starting to fill up with water above it, which is a good sign. So I'm going to get some dirt in here to at least get this halfway full here for tonight. We're losing daylight, and I don't want the pipe lift exposed if we get a heavy rain, and for some reason, which I seriously doubt it, the sides give way. So I want to just go ahead and get it filled up here as much as I can. Okay, that's went faster than I thought it would, so I put a little bit more dirt in there. So we're good for the rainstorm. Over here, it's going down. It's gone down a little bit, but I've been watching the this bank part right up in here. There's the ditch. I can get the show right, so you can see the ditch coming down here, and it jogs right here. This right in here has been, I've seen stuff rolling and going down as the dirt settles down there, so that's going to work out pretty good. All right, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow's going to be Monday, the heavy-duty rainstorm. I thought it was going to rain here the way it was acting up, but we got a the last time I checked said 95% chance of rain tomorrow, so that probably means rain. But everything's still pretty good. Let's go down and see what happened down below back here. All right, you see the crack there? That crack is where the soil is settling down in. Because I actually drove off onto it right there. You can see the tire track. And it settled down 2-3 inches. See the water coming up here. And this here was all full of water, and it's all settling down and dropping down in there. You can see the crack along here, and cracks over here from where the dirt was dropped in, and it's settling down in over there, and cracks up around there and stuff. So yeah, much better than trying to wheel roll it in and not be able to compact down below. That's what those idiots that put my gas service in did. They just wheel rolled it, and I told them stop wheel rolling what was in my yard, and I started jetting it, and they started just dropping, and they go, wow, I didn't know you could do that. But they wheel rolled what was out on the city property, on the right of way there, and it sank this winter. And so the city is doing a ordinance that they have to use compaction to state specifications and not just wheel rolling stuff. All right, I'm gonna go in. Have a good day.